Continuous success requires constant research and development in the market. Microtek is the most awarded and preferred brand in the Indian and global market. Thanks to our innovative technology and determination to reach the zenith of product quality and customer satisfaction, we have established a world-class manufacturing plant in Parwanoo, Himachal Pradesh to manufacture a wide range of wires and cables conforming to domestic and international specifications. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing lines ensure quality products are at par with the world's best. It is equipped with automatic laser diameter controller, self-centering heads and online high-voltage testing facilities. Through continuous research and development, Microtek has been able to develop its range of features like lead-free, flame-retardant insulations, insulations with low smoke and zero halogen properties to allow its discerning customers to choose from a wide range. Apart from the Parwanoo manufacturing plant, we have a separate manufacturing plant in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh to manufacture a wide range of circuit protection devices like MCB, RCCB, isolators, MCB changeovers and distribution boards conforming to domestic and international specifications. Our MCB plant has the world's best fully automatic machines that comply with Industry 4.0 and can communicate the manufacturing and test data. Fully automatic magnetic test machines, thermal test machines, and endurance machines ensure no human intervention and high accuracy of MCB calibration and testing on critical performance parameters. We have developed its range of features like True 10KA, 13-plate AQ technology and continuous accurate tripping technology through our research and development. Microtek ensures product quality in both our manufacturing plants by demonstrating quality evaluations for all our products at par with the international level. Our testing facilities evaluate the quality of our products right through the process of raw materials sourcing to delivering world-class quality products to our customers. The lab covers Indian standards, British standard, IEC, TUV Germany, American Society for Testing and Material, ASTM standards, and Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers IEEE standards to ensure the production of the best products possible.
Hello, good morning. I am Subodh Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director of Microtek Group of Companies. We are into business since 1986. For last 35 years, we have been making power products. We have been ranked very high by Forbes survey of top 100 brands in India. We provide to our customers best-in-class products. No wonder we are the most preferred choice of every household in India and the industry alike. Microtek has forayed into the electrical business in the year 2018 with a vision to be among the top 3 players in the country, in the same manner as we are doing in other verticals. Electrical wire business and cable business is of the size of 50,000 crores. We have also invested heavily into MCB, RCB, distribution boxes, spy guard, etc. It has a CAGR of 14% annually. Thus, there is a huge opportunity for our channel partners, distributors and dealers to grow with the company. Currently, we have 2 manufacturing plants in Himachal Pradesh. For wires and cables, we have a plant in Parwanoo. For MCB, switchgear and distribution boxes, we have a plant in Baddi. We have state-of-the-art R&D facilities both in India and overseas Taiwan. We promise to bring to our dealers and distributors and channel partners new and innovative products every time. We believe to provide value for money products to all our customers and channel partners. We also care for environment. We believe in inclusive growth of our channel partners along with the company and provide our consumers best-in-class products.
As As we all know, industries are a major reason behind the pollution levels in the present world. Microtek is committed to decreasing this pollution and promoting eco-friendly products. All our products are certified for RoHS compliance as per Directive 2006-95/EC, which ensure that release of hazardous substances are eliminated to provide safety for human health and give us a green environment. This is what makes us trusted and stand out in the market. Come, be a part of our incredible journey. Microtek, technology we live.